my dear friends. I am Shreyoshi Kaur and I am welcoming you to our new YouTube channel Kaur's BioHub. So, in our channel, we will cover each and every topic in biology, and yes, we will cover the topics based on your interest also. So, in our first video, we are going to share the first most basic thing, cell biology. Let's start the topic.
Cell biology. First, we have to know what is cell. A cell is defined as the smallest basic unit of life that is responsible for all the life process. Cells are the structural, functional and biological units of life beings. And in cell biology, that is the basic membrane of membrane bound unit that contains fundamental molecules of life and of which all living things are composed. So what are the functions? Cells provide structural stability to body. It provides energy and helps in the process of reproduction. So there are two types of cells. I think you all know it. First one is prokaryotic and second one is eukaryotic. What are the prokaryotic cells? Those are the unicellular organisms without a nuclear membrane. Examples: bacteria and archaea. Prokaryotic cells do not possess a membrane-bound organelles. And these are the most earliest and the most basic forms of life. Example, if you want to know, some archaeans in animal intestine. The archaeans are the prokaryotic cells and others live in hot springs, swamps, wetlands. And next one is eukaryotic cells. They have the membrane bound organelles in the cell and they have mitochondria. And the locomotory organs for them are cilia and flagella. So let's go deep in some most important facts. I think you all enjoy it. So what are the prokaryotes? They are actually the bacteria and they live from earth until the beginning. Here you can see they appeared on earth before 3.5 billion years ago. So you can say they are the first life on earth. And one thing you must know, some archaeans can live in our body also. The example you can see here is the methanogenic bacteria. So let me go deep into the functions. Here you can see from cell the one organism can grow. Actually what happens in here? All the living entities are composed of cells and a group of cells is called tissue. And next organ forms from the tissue. Actually what happens, these tissues are combined to form the organs and lastly organ system is formed. And what happens at the last stage? From all the organ systems together, one organism can made. Here you can see one human body. So the most structural and functional unit of the body is cells. And the next function is apoptosis, that is called programmed cell death.
This is a series of molecular steps in a cell that leads to a cell death. By this method, our body gets rid of unneeded cell or abnormal cells. So the process of apoptosis is blocked in the disease like cancer. So what is necrosis? You all know, I think, what is necrosis. It is also called it is a cell death. So what's the difference between necrosis and apoptosis? Now, necrosis happens where the cell is died because of an injury, but apoptosis is a function of the cell.
In this picture you can see two chromosomes are sitting together. Actually not sitting, they are standing together. And you know what is telomere is? Telomere is the end part of the chromosome. Actually what is the relation of cell with telomere? So let me tell you shortly. Actually what happens, telomere length shortens with age. So progressive shortening of telomeres leads to the sentence of death.
So my dear friends, in this picture you can see two types of telomere. One telomere is very young and another telomere is old person.
So dear friends, this is a quick overview of cell biology. So in our upcoming videos, we will cover each and every topic and some important organisms also. You can also mention which topic you want to know in our comment box. It will helpful for you in gaining knowledge. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.